What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to control your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live using touch controls. I'll also show you how to utilize your ANC or active noise cancelling and Equalizer, which helps you to switch between different sound modes and enhance your listening experience. First, before being able to utilize your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live at all, you need to make sure that you pair them. There's two ways to pair them. First is to simply open the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case right next to your phone, and you should get a pop-up message asking whether or not you'd like to connect your Galaxy Buds Live. Click connect, and once you do that, you can use your Galaxy Buds Live. Another way to pair your buds, if for whatever reason your phone can't seem to connect to your Galaxy Buds Live by itself, is to take out both of the buds and put them into your ears. Once they are placed in your ears, press on both of the Galaxy Buds Live with your fingers until you hear a beeping noise, just like shown in the picture. Once you do that, you will also get a pop-up message asking whether you'd like to connect your Galaxy Buds Live. If you're not sure whether your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is connected, one way to tell is to look at your Galaxy wearable app. If it's all gray, none of the functions are lit up besides the connect button in orange. That means your Galaxy Buds Live are not connected. And if all of the functions are lit up and you have your battery charge level display on the top, that means your Galaxy Buds Live are connected. Once connected, under the Galaxy Buds Live display and battery status, you will see active noise cancelling, or ANC as some people call it, with a toggle switch. In order to turn it on or off, you can simply use the toggle switch or also have the touch and hold controls to be set to turn the ANC on or off by touching and holding one of your earbuds. Just so you understand how it works, I will turn on the ANC right now by touching and holding my right earbud. And now I will turn it off without touching the app, but by touching and holding one of my earbuds. And as you can see, it's off now. Under the ANC, you will see an equalizer. This is where you can select different sound modes for your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. In order to switch between them, you simply have to click on a sound mode you'd like to use next. So if you like to go from normal to bass boost, simply click on bass boost and your mode will switch. Same thing with the soft, dynamic, clear or treble boost. And if you'd like to switch back, click on the mode you like the best. Unfortunately, there's no other way to switch the equalizer modes besides doing so manually in the app. Under the equalizer, we have a touch control section of a wearable app. And this is where Samsung will not only give you instructions on how to use the touch controls, but also show you by playing little animations. As you can see, if you tap once on your Galaxy Buds Live, you can either play or pause the track. If you double tap on Galaxy Buds Live, you would play the next track and answer or end a phone call. When you triple tap, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live would make your device play a previous track. And the last but not least control is touch and hold, which allows you to decline the call or use whatever option you set, like active noise cancelling, Bixby, volume down or up, and Spotify. I prefer to have the touch and hold control to be set to volume down on the left Galaxy Bud and the volume up on the right. And you can also block all the touches by toggling this switch. But I personally enjoy using touch controls, so I'm gonna turn the block touches option off. Another cool option is that if you're not sure whether or not you're properly tapping on your buds, in order to utilize touch controls, you could go into tips and user manual, and the app will teach you how to properly tap on the buds in order to make sure that you are utilizing them correctly. So when you click practice tapping and then click start, you'll hear music and you'll tap to control the music. And the app will tell you whether you're tapping properly or you need to tap at the right place, tap harder, and whether to tap once and not touch and hold. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to control your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live using touch control, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because it's free. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps Unbox the Box get more opportunities to get new tech so I can make new helpful videos for you guys. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.